welcome to the Phonics channel with me, Mr. Tom, and today we are going to be looking at a single letter sound. Now this is a very interesting single letter sound. In the past we've done a lesson where this is the B sound, but today it is not the B sound. Today it is this sound, and listen carefully. It is the Say again. That's right, it's silent. You don't say this sound in some words. It is silent, okay? So you don't say it, you make no sound. It is silent. So let's say it again. Well done. So let's try and find this word or this sound in some words today. Okay, the first one is thumb. Thumb. Okay. Thumb. This is my right thumb. Okay, here, my thumb. Quite small thumbs. Thumb. Okay, so how many letters does thumb have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. This letter makes no sound, so there's no red dot. Okay, no red dot. Okay, next one we have is lamb. 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 A lamb is a baby sheep. And again, for this letter, there's no sound and there's no dot. It's just lamb. Okay, next one we have with this silent letter is doubt. 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 I doubt that this letter makes a sound. I don't think this letter makes a sound a lot. Sometimes it makes a sound, but not always, okay? I doubt, I don't think. Out. How many letters does doubt have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Out. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. Okay, and going on to the last one. Mr. Peebo, what's the last one? Look up, you say. Oh, little fox, what are you doing up there? Well, how did you get up there? Oh, she's crazy. She's getting less and less shy by the lesson. How did you climb up there? That's the word, isn't it? Climb, little fox. So now you've got little fox doing your work for you, Mr. Peebo. You're so lazy sometimes. Kids, don't be like Mr. Peebo. Don't be lazy. Don't get little fox do all his work for him. It's not good. But yes, that is a good word. Climb. Climb. Little fox went to climb up the whiteboard. Climb. We're saying quickly together. So we go cl sound. Climb. No sound for this letter. No dot for this letter. Climb. Mr. Beatballs just said that he couldn't climb up the board to show us. That's why he didn't do it. I suppose, Mr. People, you don't have hands or arms or legs, so yeah, it might be difficult for you. I'll let you off this time. So anyway, let's go over these letters and sounds again, all together, nice and loud. Thumb, thumb. Lamb, lamb. Doubt, doubt. Climb, climb. Okay? Again, if you join us at home, get yourself a piece of paper, put the letter, put the words, and you can draw pictures for each of the words, or you can try and find these around your house, or in your house. Thumb, hopefully you can find one of your thumbs. Lamb, that might be tricky, you might need to go to a farm to find this one. Doubt, I don't think, I doubt you'll find a lamb anywhere. Maybe you live on a farm, that'd be very lucky if you do. And climb, maybe you can climb on your bed, but be careful when you're climbing things because it can be quite dangerous. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel. Have a great day and I will see you next time. Goodbye.